Hello there, my name is Kristen Hink and I'm going to show you how to upload some assignments so that they make copies directly for your students. So here I am in my practice section. I've got just the basics in here and I want to make sure I'm installing an app that helps me first. So go up to these four squares. I'm going to click on that and click on App Center. Once you get to App Center, you are going to want to download or attach a Google app. Of course, my internet's going to go slow right now. There we go. So for this purpose, you want Google Drive Assignments. So you're going to click on Google Drive Assignments. This is going to enable you to share things directly through the Schoology platform, and students are going to have to make their own copy, or it'll make a copy for them. So install LTI app, you want to agree, and then any courses you have, you are going to want to select. So I want that selected, and you want it selected for course admins only. So install that. I'm gonna go back to my courses, and I only have one right now. So this will pull up my main page once again. I'm going to scroll down and I want to add materials. So I already have a folder right here, which is where I'll store all of my science specific items. So add materials, add assignment. You can title this whatever you'd like. I'm going to upload the Matter Digital Journal and give it a description. We will use this throughout the unit. Then Google Drive Assignments is where you're going to want to assign the app, assign from the app. Once this loads, you are going to look for that assignment. So I have, it's the Matter and Mixtures notebook. You can click on that and then attach. So this will create a copy of your file for each student. You can make a due date. You can have categories, like this is going to be my notes category. Factor and grading, I'm not going to worry about any of that. You can align these to your standards. So state standards for me in Texas, essential knowledge and skills. I can go to science and then my grade level, put it right here in matter and energy, just fill all these up, add learning objectives. So those are down here at the bottom. So I can either individually assign this to each student, lock it, publish is what I want, and I'm going to create this assignment. My assignment is going to show up in this materials section right here, and then I can move this into my science folder. And you can do this before publishing it. You can set it up to turn on a certain day. If I click on the folder, this is going to get me into this folder, and then this is my assignment, Matter Digital Journal. So this is what it looks like for students as well. And then when I click on in progress, I will be able to see students who are working on it. And if students are finished and I've had them turn it in, then that's where it will show up. I probably won't have them turn it in because I want them to have access to this all year. So that is the notebook. If I want to assign anything else, it's really very similar. Or exactly the same thing. Add materials, add assignment. And let's say this time I'm going to assign the digital inquiry. What, I forgot what it's called. Let's see, what, oh, how does matter change? How does matter change? And I'm going to do it the same way. And I have three options based on student need. So I titled them 1, 2, and 3, and I can assign certain ones based on what students are needing. So if they need more scaffolding, then I can assign it to certain students. I can do a due date, anything like that. Thanks for watching.